my name is Akshay Pachade. I belongs to Akola, Maharashtra. I have completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering at Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University in 2020. After completion of my degree, I am working in a mechanical field and try to switch in a IT field. Later I know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. Basically is a IT consultant and recruitment company where I completed my full job internship and got placed in Mahindra and Mahindra Limited with 2.7 LPA package. So thanks to all Evision team to giving me the opportunity to work in IT field. Thank you so much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.